Shenzhen HHD Technology Company Limited, founded in 2009, which is a leading manufacturer and IoT solution provider dedicated to the research, development, and manufacturing of smart locks and industrial advanced IoT devices. We specialize in providing innovative services for global supply chain management, including asset security supervision, electronic handover, safety delivery, and transparent monitoring. Through continuous technological innovation, we are committed to delivering high-quality smart terminals and application solutions that enable more efficient, secure, and intelligent supply chain management, ultimately helping our customers reduce costs and increase efficiency. HHD product category as below: logistics lock, Bluetooth lock, LoRa lock, management lock, smart boxes, electronic seal, smart sensor, and smart gateway. All of hardware devices support working on a user-friendly and feature-rich IoT platform. HHDlink, HHD technology committed to providing customers with intelligent and integrated IoT interfaces, enabling seamless connectivity and optimization. HHD tech solution and products widely used in logistics transportation, energy and chemical transportation, smart site management, safety environment, etc. Deeply cultivate in industrial IoT technologies dedicated to logistics supply chain monitoring and management, especially for in-transit logistic, cross-border container tracking, warehouse management, oil and gas transportation, environmental waste recycling tracking, food safety traceability, bulk cargo tracking in the supply chain. Nowadays, HHD business scope covers domestic and international markets, such as Southeast Asia, India, Europe, Africa, North America, Latin America, and other regions.
HHD provides you a wide range of intelligent lock, which can meet your different requirements. Welcome, contact us for detail.